Today we're gonna be unboxing, yeah. Unboxing the Doom limited run. Yeah. FragWatch and Collectibles Corner here. Today unboxing the Doom limited run ultimate set or something. Let's see. New cameras, new lighting here. Let's pour a Coke to that. Yeah. Pour that out. Right here. Get some of that. Look at that ball ice. That's custom made water that I have. Make my own water. A little ball ice. We'll get some. The cup is a map of Middle Earth. I'll spin it around in a second. Very cool. Some cola, some ice cold Coca-Cola. I'm misting it all over my fucking keyboard. Not great. A little cheers. Cheers to new cameras and equipment. All right, let's open this. I don't fucking remember how to fucking use this knife. I think it's this way. Yep. I don't want to dox myself here. This has my fucking address on it. Wow, this bad boy is sharp. This is the Smith blade. Microphone's like in my arm's way. Okay. Is that all? Yep. Okay. Let's get this going. Here we go. A bunch of stuffing shit. Okay. That is a lot of packaging. What a big box for such a small little thing. Make sure there's no keys on this before I fucking show it. Okay, here we go. There we go. More shit. This probably has my name on it, so let's not show that. More packing stuff. The whole fucking... Wow. Okay. All of that for this little thing right here. This precious little thing. Woo! Okay. Let's, am I going to be able to... Oh, that's a key. Probably not. We're going to flip that there. Man, this fucking blade, never going to get used to it. It flips the opposite way that my intuition tells me it should. Oh, that lays really well, though. Cut anything. This plastic off here. My blade up there. A sharp boy. All right. Special edition. I got the special edition. Does this have fucking tape on it? This is like... The tolerance level on this box is intense. Here, let's show the back of it first. So we got that. That's pretty cool. I don't know whether that... Oh, I got NVIDIA broadcast on, so that probably blurred the whole thing. Doesn't look like a face. Apologies. We're learning. These are single take videos. What do we got? We got these cassette tapes. The soundtrack in cassette. Pretty neat. Okay. Oh, we got the sound. Okay, so we got the like a bunch of soundtracks. We got the soundtrack to Doom and Doom 2. Are these all the same? Like they're all... Yeah, these are all different. That's pretty cool. I didn't even know there was like different... Okay, that's neat. Let's get that up and over. We got I have another 5 of these. The trading cards. Premium trading cards. Ordered 5 extra. Because I kind of dig stuff like that. This is what looks like a soundtrack box. So you can put all your soundtracks in it. Nerdy. Okay. Make sure there's no keys or anything under here. There's, that's just packaging. What? Hold on. It's like opens up. That's weird. It would be weird if there wasn't anything in here. There's nothing in here. What a lot of packaging. What a lot of packaging. What a lot of packaging up in this box. Woo! Up in this box. We've got a lot of that packaging up in this box. Up in this box. We got old cassette tapes to listen to. I'll have to pull them out of storage. I'll have to pull my cassette player out of storage. Yeah, that's the unboxing of this. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.